2021 was a big year for tackling makeover projects, both big and small, to update our home one room at a time, but we're not done yet, and we're going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come in 2022. While there's no knowing what will actually happen in 2022, we're optimistic that it is going to be a big year, just like we knew 2021 would be. 2021 is going to be a big year. Gonna be a big year. We just didn't know exactly what would make it such a great year for our channel and for our home. We will be back again in 2021 with lots more room makeovers. Well, what rooms am I making over? I don't know. Little did we know, just a few months later, we bought a house. We bought a house. More specifically, we bought this house, the house that we are currently living in. This means that we can start making over spaces in this house like crazy. And we are gonna share every step of that process with you right here on our channel. And we didn't waste any time diving into home makeover projects. We gave our coat closet a much needed facelift to make it more organized, functional, and of course, to make it prettier. I also brought you along as I updated the wall color in my living room to make the whole room brighter and happier. When spring rolled around, we headed outside to tackle giving our front porch a fresh new look. That same month, we worked on getting our kitchen pantry organized. Then, in preparation for summer, we gave our deck a complete top-to-bottom makeover, starting with pressure washing, sanding, and restaining it. After that, it was time to address the junk pile that had lived under our deck and work on turning that space into a patio. Next came giving the primary bathroom of our house a head-to-toe makeover that included painting the walls and the vanity, putting wallpaper up on the wall, and adding new fixtures and decor. In the fall, we headed back out to the front porch to deck it out with the prettiest pumpkins we could find and some hay. Our guest bedroom also got some love as we repainted and redecorated it to better match our aesthetic. Then came one of the biggest and definitely our most impactful makeover of 2021, giving our kitchen a huge makeover to take it from a dark, outdated cave to the lovely, bright, and modern-looking kitchen that we have now. Without wasting any time, we went straight into updating our foyer, which included painting the stair railing black and updating the chandelier. After that, we took to the front porch again to decorate it for Christmas. But we shared a lot more than just our home makeovers on our channel in the past year. We also created how-to videos filled with lots of valuable knowledge about decorating and organizing. We covered how to purge and organize the clothes in your closet, how to decorate a coffee table, how to go about choosing the correct curtain length for your home, how to decorate above a couch, how to style a bedroom dresser, how to decorate an entryway, and the importance of learning how to love your home just the way it is right now. We also created 22 YouTube shorts loaded with tips and inspiration about thrifting, organizing, decorating, and so much more. All of that free, valuable content is available for you to enjoy and learn from, but for now, let's talk about 2022. Of course, we don't know exactly how the whole year will go down, but we do know that not only do we have projects in our own home that we still want to do, but my brother and his partner Sam recently bought a fantastic house that we'll be sharing more of as we help them fix it up. My mother-in-law Marion also just bought a house and is planning some renovations to update it, which I am in the process of documenting to share with you. Then after the professional renovations are complete, we'll also help her out with a couple of projects. As for the updates and changes we still want to make in our own house, since my brother bought his own house, we now have an empty dining room and guest bedroom that we want to decorate. We also have our downstairs bathroom off of our kitchen that we want to update to look better next to our pretty kitchen, and we actually want to do a round 2 of updates on our foyer. We want to add some board and batten to give this space more dimension and character. There is still so much more to come, but for now, I highly recommend watching this video next because it looks like you missed this one and you don't want to miss anything. That's why you should also subscribe and follow us on Instagram again so you don't miss anything and follow along.